This video will demonstrate how you can quickly and easily design a Wolfram gearbox model in the FVA-Workbench, such as those used as final drives in Formula Student Team racing cars. To get started, create a new model from the FVA-Workbench splash screen. Then add a freely defined planetary gear stage component under the gear unit. Choose Wolfram type from the radio buttons, select Wolfram with ring gear and sun gear from the pull-down menu, and click Next. The geometry parameters and materials for the gears, as well as the design of the planet carrier, can be customized in the next step. Adjust the module for Sun Gear 1 and Planet Gear 2, and the number of teeth for Sun Gear 1, Planet Gear 1, and Planet Gear 2. The other gears will be adjusted automatically. Next, select a material for each of the gears. Select Double Plate Carrier Assembly, bearing on pins, and then click Finish. You will then see a preview of your gearbox in the 3D model view. The ring gear of the input stage and the sun gear of the output stage now need to be removed from the gearbox. Right-click Cylindrical Stage 15, choose Delete, and click OK. Repeat this process for Cylindrical Stage 23. You will now see an updated preview of the current gearbox in the 3D model view. In order to determine the power flow, load components need to be added to the model. To do so, select the gear unit in the model tree and switch to the Power Flow tab in the editor. Add load components on the driving sun shaft, the driven ring gear shaft, and a planet carrier shaft, and then configure them as shown. Now, change to the Operating Data tab. Select a lubricant from the list as shown and click Finish. Specify the lubricant temperature and the operating time. Change to the Calculations tab, select the calculations to perform, and double-click System Calculations to start the calculation process. Key results for each component are shown in the Quick Results view. Detailed results are available in the full FVA-Workbench report. The next step is to add planetary bearings from the bearing catalog. To do so, choose the planet bearings in the model tree or 3D view and then click Select. Adjust the parameters accordingly and click Next to bring up a list of suitable bearings. Select a bearing from the list and click Finish to apply. Repeat this process for the other planet bearings. The diameter of the planet shaft and pin must now be adjusted to the bearings. Select the pin in the model and modify the diameter accordingly. Then, select the planet shaft and adjust the contours. Now, activate the bearing rating life calculation under the Calculations tab of the gear unit. Then, rerun the system calculation. Again, the values for the bearing rating life are available in the Quick Results view. As this video demonstrates, it is possible to completely build a Wolfram gearbox and perform consistent calculations in the FVA-Workbench in just a few minutes. Additional calculation methods can also be added to those shown here, such as calculation of the local safeties with consideration of flank modifications, or calculation of shaft safeties according to DIN 743 or the FKM guideline.